Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone out there, hope everyone's doing well. This is Sherry, KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a most wonderful day. So, I know I've been on a low buy, no buy, a little back and forth here lately. So I am not buying near what I used to, but I saw something and I just really fell in love with it, and I decided that I was going to get it. And this comes from a German company. It's called PICMONDOO. This is an order that I purchased myself. So it comes in this box. Now, yes, there is a little damage here to the box. The outside of the box is actually branded, so you can't see my address on there, but it says PICMONDOO. It has their website on the outside of the box as well. So I have not opened this. I am going to go ahead and cut it open, see if we can get inside here. If I have any trouble, I'll just put you on pause and we will start from there. But it looks to me that, okay, I'm really not sure. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I think we're going to get in here just fine. Alright, so inside is this box, and so I'm not sure, it says PICMONDOO here. It is a little bit of a sparkly box, diamond painting. On the side it says designed in Deutschland. Premium quality. And on the back it tells you about diamond painting set, I guess what comes in it, do it yourself, and most of this is in German. Okay, so it's in German, and I know a little, but not a lot, so I can't read it. Okie dokie. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a limited edition, so that little sparkly thing, you may not be able to see. It says limited edition. And we're gonna rip into this. Maybe. Yes, we are. I'm very excited about this. Very excited. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. So. They have a little toolkit. It says equipment set, create. And then on the back, I'm not sure, it's in German. So we'll look at the toolkit really quick. This is a round drill. No, wait. No, I'm sorry, it's square. Oh, wow. Those are cute. So we get our pin, just a typical pin, a blue squishy. We get a wide 6-placer. And we get, look at this pretty wax. 2 plates of pretty pink, light pink wax, and a clear spouted tray. So that's what comes in the toolkit. And this is square. Yes, it is square. It does have the canvas number on there as well as the size, and this is a 40 by 60 square drill. You guys look at those colors. And there are ABs in this. I see at least 1 AB. 2 AB. Nope, that's some kind of dust. A dust drill. Anyway, I'll pull them out. I'll pull those out, but let's look at the canvas first. Okay. This canvas, oh, there's another little booklet here. Oh, I see. This is, we get a sticker page. It's in, now the wording is in German. This has 66 colors, guys. 66 colors. And it does list ABs, and the others are glitter drills. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glitter drills and 2 ABs in this painting. So here is there's a picture under my hand. And then on the back, it shows you how to diamond paint. And I'm going to assume that this is some kind of, you scan it and go to a video something. But anyway, the canvas itself, oh my goodness, is beautiful. Felt back, very nice, scalloped, poked. This is going to lie flat without any help, as you guys can see. You ready to see what I got? Are you ready to see what I got? Okay, so this is a little muddied. It is a little muddied. It is, but I believe, and I can see that this is going to be beautiful. This is a lighthouse, so let me show you the thumbnail. There it is. At the top of this canvas, it says PICMONDOO, love, create, dream. And then it has your legend on either side of the canvas there with a thumbnail up here. This is a limited edition, and it does have a name, but it's not listed on here, and I am so sorry. I can't remember. It's Guardian something. It'll be in the description below. But, oh my, look at that. So this is kind of maybe a sunset. I mean, the sun is going down, and that is gorgeous. I am so pleased. Drill field, guys. Here is the drill field. Very, very clear. Cover sheet is very nice. Not too thick, not too thin. And you pull this back, and that canvas lays just as pretty as you could want it to. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even have to use a scraper. I don't have to roll it. this is going to be beautiful. So I don't know when I will get to this, but I definitely plan to do this sometime this year. This is a beautiful, beautiful canvas. I've never ordered from this company. I'm going to blame this one on Tina over at Diamonds and Jewels because she showed some canvases. I went in there and this was just immediately, I said, oh goodness, you gotta have it. So that is that. Drills. On the website, you can get English on there. I am not sure. I'll have to pull these out and take a really close look at them to see. I don't know if they are acrylic or resin, but they are very shiny. They are very nice. These appear, they appear to be resin. There's no dimpling. Oh my gracious. Can you guys see? So that is one of the dust drills. Let's turn this canvas over. Let's turn this canvas over. Let's tilt down a little bit. Let's see if you can see that. I think you can. You see the dust drills there. These are dust drills. These are ABs. Look at that. Oh my gracious. Let's go through the colors. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Super shiny. The color palette on here is, oh my. Wow. Wow. These are beautiful colors. I am very impressed. Very impressed. I was trying to see if they're so shiny, it's hard for me to tell. Are they dust drills? Are they not? They're not. They're just very shiny. Oh my gracious. Those are not dust drills either. They're just super, look at the shine on those, guys. Okay, here are dust drills. So we had 2, this is 3, number 4, number 5 dust drill, number 6 dust drill, and wait a minute. These are dust drills too. Did I miss something? These are ABs, but these are dust. These are dust. These are dust. These are dust, and these are dust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I do with them? Yeah. Oh, 7. Because these are a little few extra the same color. And then your 2 ABs. And here are more colors. Look at all these beautiful colors. Wow. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. So again, here's the painting. You guys, this is the painting. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you again for spending some time with me, taking time out of your precious day. And remember, everyone, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others, even when they're not kind to you. Give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you might make to that person that day. God bless each and every one of you. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.